Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from MyPoints. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is head on over to mypoints.com and then sign in using your credentials. So go ahead and click on the login button and then sign in using your email address and a password. Once you've signed in, we want to go to the redeem points section. So navigate to redeem points option. This is usually found in the main menu or near your points balance. Then from here, we can go ahead and choose your withdrawal method. So you can redeem your points in several ways. PayPal, transfer your points into real cash sent to your PayPal account. Gift cards, select from a wide variety of gift cards, for example, Amazon, Walmart, Target. And you can also convert points into miles or travel rewards. And then you want to select the amount you want to redeem. So choose the denomination that matches your available points. Each reward option has a minimum number of points required to redeem. Then from there, just simply confirm and submit. Review your selection, confirm your email or account details if needed, and submit the request.